Hello, welcome to Sherry's Fun Fan Classroom. By adjusting the speed, fans can meet the requirements, different environments, and working conditions. We will list several common speed adjustment methods of the fan in this video. 1. The speed of the cooling fan can be adjusted by adjusting the working power supply voltage. 2. PWM speed regulation. Some 3-wire or 4-wire DC fans and AC fans usually have a PWM speed regulation function. Stepless speed regulation of the fan is achieved by adjusting the duty cycle of the PWM signal. 3. Temperature control function. Fans with temperature control function are generally implemented using NTC thermistors. According to the characteristics of NTC with different resistance values at different temperatures, the fan can automatically adjust the speed according to the temperature. 4. 0 to 10 volt voltage speed regulation. The fan speed can be adjusted by providing different voltage values between 0 and 10 volt to the fan control signal. Generally, 0 to 10 volt and PWM can be shared. 5. Speed regulation through RS485 communication interface. Fans with RS485 interface are usually embedded with Modbus protocol, allowing users to realize speed regulation and control of the fan through the host computer or workstation. The underlying speed regulation principle is still realized through the PWM drive circuit. 6. Series capacitor speed regulation. This speed regulation method is aimed at AC fans. The speed is adjusted by connecting capacitors with different capacitances in series in the main circuit. We will demonstrate and explain to you how to connect these fan speed control methods. Follow me to learn more about fans.